Get ready to escape the world with the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones, featuring truly industry-leading noise cancellation that will blow you away. Imagine silence on a busy commute, focus in a bustling office, or pure immersion in your music. These headphones deliver unparalleled quiet. Powered by the integrated processor V1 and 8 microphones, they adapt to your environment, making every listening experience blissfully undisturbed. And the best part? You won't be constantly searching for a charger thanks to an incredible 30-hour battery life on a single charge. That's days of immersive listening, ideal for travel, long work sessions, or just uninterrupted enjoyment. Switching between devices is seamless with multi-point connection, letting you pair with 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously. Answer a call on your phone while watching a movie on your laptop without ever missing a beat. Pure convenience for busy lives. Beyond the specs, the refined design and lightweight fit make these the most comfortable, premium wireless headphones you'll find for all-day wear. If you're looking to buy the best noise-canceling headphones on the market for an unrivaled audio experience, these are it. Don't just take my word for it. Click the Amazon link in the description below to experience the Sony WH-1000XM5 difference for yourself. You won't regret this upgrade.